Hi everyone, this is HunyahTravels Pageant Coaching, and today I'm unboxing Glam Worldwide Ambassador Package. The real. Ooh, wow, so many things. I got a charging wire, I got lashes, I got clips, I got a whole bunch of jewelry and beauty stuff, so this is amazing. You can see. Now let's start. Just open it. With my crown and sash. So I just like to thank Mina, who's the director for Miss Glam Worldwide. Thank you for appointing me as Miss Glam Worldwide 2025, and I hope to be walking on runway shows, doing reviews, beauty reviews, and more. So thank you. Be sure to like and subscribe. This is a sash. So here it is. This is amazing. Now let's see. Ooh, this is really amazing. So this is this.